Hi, let me show you how to tie this headscarf. Some people call it the African headscarf or Gele. For this style, I am using the Ankara fabric, which is one of the popular African fabrics out there. I am going to indicate the sizing of this scarf so you have an idea what size it is. You wear the scarf like this, you say from the back, if you understand what I mean. Yes, and then you make a crisscross with your hand like this. Now I am going to gently wrap the scarf in the direction of my hand. So the one to the right hand goes towards the right hand and the one to the left goes towards the left. What I am doing now is grabbing the tip of the scarf on the right hand, and I will do the same by grabbing the tip of the scarf on the left hand. Emphasis on the tip so you can see. Can you see how I'm grabbing it? Yes, so you go for the tips. This tip you will use to make a knot behind the scarf like this. Please, it is important to maybe go back to the video and look gently on the tip I am grabbing because it is very important for this style. Now you have it knotted nicely behind. What I am doing now is gently lifting and positioning the scarf in the way I want it to go. So if you see, I am not pushing or pressing hard, I am just giving it some styling, then tucking in the tip into the knot I made initially. So this is the point where you just lift to give whatever, styling you want. I am now going to do the same for the other side of the scarf. So you see how I'm lifting and folding and adjusting just to give it the fitting I want, and I have tucked it in also behind. Now this is why the Ankara fabric works for this style. The Ankara fabric is tough, or it's quite for a lack of a better word, thicker. It has this tougher feeling, so whatever position you style the scarf, it stays. So that is why it's important to use the Ankara fabric or the Gele fabric. So, and that is it. Very easy. The whole idea is knowing how to position the tie-in and then finding a way to adjusting your styling to however you want it to be. As you can see, I was not feeling this tip, so I had to tuck it in. This is how I want it to be. So this is the point where you style and you position your scarf as high as you want or whatever you want to do. Oh yes, and keep in mind that this scarf is not a big scarf. So that means the wider or the bigger your scarf, the wider and higher your pattern is when you tie it. So this is the basics on how to tie your Ankara scarf. Let me know what you think, and I hope this video is helpful. You can try it out, you can watch the video on maybe a slower motion just to get the basics and the moves, and before you know, it's next to muscle memory. I hope you enjoy it and I hope this is helpful. You can check out my other head wrap videos that I have made. I have a whole playlist dedicated to different styles of head wrap tutorials. Bye for now. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.